Yeah, I'm recording in my grandparents' computer room thing. Now it's my sister's storage area. Yeah, because they moved out of their apartment and now they don't have any room for all their stuff. Yeah. But yeah, they're renovating this house. My great grandmother was renting out to some nasty lady. She is so nasty, it's ridiculous. And so they're cleaning that up and making it all look all nice and junk like that. But yeah. Love this scarf. It's called an infinity scarf. And so it goes on forever and ever and ever. Look, it never ends, never ends. And so many different styles you can do with it and stuff like that. It's difficult to get back on with one hand. There it goes. Okay. Yep. So I'm just sitting here recording. I haven't done this in a while, because I've been so busy with schoolwork and I'm just so lazy. I just didn't want to, But yeah, here I am. And there you are, watching me. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll just talk about different things. I'm just going to talk about New Year's resolution. Because New Year's Eve was like 4 days ago. Yeah. Spent my New Year's in Atlanta, which was pretty cool, New Year's resolution, number one. Do better in school. Of course, Number two, be more confident in myself. Because I've noticed something that when it comes to guys and talking to guys, I end up second guessing myself. And that's not good, I'm not, I just need to have more confidence in myself, of course. And number three is to be the best that I can be, look the best I can be, exercise regularly, and eat healthier. So far, it's been okay, it's been like, what's it? It's Tuesday, so January 3rd, it's been okay, it's okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to stick to it. It's been difficult. I had nachos today. Bad idea. Bad Keela. Bad. And yeah, but it's getting there. It's only the 3rd day of the new year. So someone walk past the door. Don't want them to come in here and find me talking to myself on a camera. That's weird. But I think that's it. Yeah. So, be cool, stay chill. Peace.